Stable Queen was so basically Jade like like on Instagram, she was like so like will you give me another chance? And I don't really know what I should do. So comment down below if you think I should give her another chance or not. Cause basically I don't really know anymore. Like it's hard for me to trust people when they like do something like bad to me, like basically ruin my life. And so basically, um, yeah, cause I don't really know anymore. Like, so I mean, I think like a lot. Anyway, so anyways, we're playing Pet Simulator. I'm in the snow area. I went to the moon area. See, that's how many moon cones I have. And then this is, hold on. And then see, I'm in the snow area right now. That's how many snow things I have. I'm gonna see if I can buy this thing. I don't know if there's another like portal or if the snow area is. I don't know. Okay. I have to get more. Okay, anyway. Anywho, yeah. I don't know what to talk about. Comment below. Yeah, but just comment down below what I should do, cause like I don't really know what I should do. Ooh, there's a chest over there. Okay. Okay. By the way, one of my friends on Roblox, they gave me some gold pets. I have like, let me try and find. I think it was this gold pet. I only have one gold pet. Let me see if this was the gold pet. No, that's not the gold pet I had. Hold on, let me find it. Wait, what's this over here? Okay, so it was this gold pet. Wait. Yeah, so that gold pet right there is the one I had. And then my friend, X Love, I believe his name is X Love. But yeah, X6 Love gave me, some gold pets, so I took him. Like, he's like, do you want some gold pets? I'm like, sure. So he gave me some. So I can get more moon cones and stuff. That wasn't like the last level, but now I'm in the snow level. I think it was yesterday I unlocked this area. But yeah, I really just don't know what to do. And I told her, can I think about it? And she's like, sure. And like basically she told me, Keith, I think it's her ex, I don't know. Like, yeah, her ex, I believe, was like controlling her and like telling her what to do. And like, yeah. Because look at what she said. She said, if you, so she said that, and like, I don't know what to do anymore, guys. So basically, I don't know anymore. I'm just gonna I'm gonna talk to Lexi and like tell her how I like feel about this, and yeah. Oh my god. Oh wait, I don't have enough of that. Okay, any more? Anyways, how's your guys' summer going? Mine is like boring, basically, and like no fun. Wait. I think that's the pair of hands. Oh yeah, but yeah, my summer's been boring, and my boy is lucky because he gets to go like to a lake house with his friends, and like and I have to wait for like another year to go on vacation with my family, and that vacation might be Florida. We might be going to Florida next year, cause every year when someone graduates in my family, like let's see, when I was I think in 2016 my brother graduated, cause I think I was in like 6th grade, I believe, and so we had to go to Costa Rica for his graduation, Like since he was graduating, or since he graduated, I think I don't remember. But like, yeah, we get to do the same next year for my brother Mitchell, and then cause Mitchell. So when I'm in 8th grade, Mitchell's gonna be a senior, and and then when he like goes to college, I'm gonna be like in my freshman year, and I'm really nervous. But I'm like, no, I'm just not ready for high school. Like I'm ready for high school because when I get into my senior year, I get to graduate and not to go to school anymore. But I just don't know. Anyways, right now I'm trying to get enough coins to what's it called, to level up, I guess you can say. So go follow my TikTok. It's just like Malia Shabansky. I have, hold on, how many followers? See, I know how many followers I have because I've been on TikTok like this morning. Oh, so I'm at 1,015 followers. That's a lot, and I have 274 videos, so that's like a lot. And sometimes I don't even post on TikTok that much because I'm like lazy. Like I don't be posting here because I'm lazy. But I promise you, I'm gonna start posting more since it's summer. Comment below if you guys wanna like see some activities I do over the summer. I'm just gonna make you guys comment down below a lot of things. But yeah, basically comment down below what you wanna see on this YouTube channel. And if you want to see some drama, like, no, like, no. Oh, if you want to see some tea, because I have some tea for you guys. Oh my god, where is this petting? Yeah, I'll put you right there. But yeah, I have so many tea. I know, okay, there's also some tea at my school, but like, we're not at school anymore, but like, last year there was like a breakup between this, like, girl and a guy. Because I don't know what happened. Because like I don't talk to them, and they're like the popular kids. So, anyways, they like broke up. Like I think the guy broke up with the girl, and he was in my facts class. So, yeah, it wasn't that sad, but still. And the guy like switched classrooms because he didn't want to be in the same classroom as the girl. I guess. Okay. Anyways, I don't know what to talk about, you guys. Sorry, it was on Instagram because my favorite YouTuber posted something on Instagram. Basically, this is my wallpaper as you guys saw in the other video. Anyways, I'm just waiting for these chests to open. Oh my god, we're gonna be here forever. Oh, by the way, usually when I play this game, I usually watch YouTube because like it gets boring. Like it's not boring, but like it just like gets boring when you have to wait for these chests to open, like the gold chest in the moon area. Like, oh, and do you see that sled over there? Yeah, that also takes a while. So yeah. Oh, you over there? See this pet? Hold on. What level is that pet? My pets. Okay. Let's see. That pet is level 1,000. By the way, I have so many pets. So if you like, if you can find me on Roblox, but like it's basically like my Discord, but it's Malia underscore is lazy. That's basically my username. Cause I am lazy. But like, if you want to like trade with me, then that's cool. Cause I have like so many pets. I'm not even kidding you. Like, look, I have I have 125 pets. So if you want something, just tell me and I'm trying many I'm trying to make some gold things. Anyways, I'm good. Just another Ezra. He barks a lot. Ezra literally barks all night long. Oh yeah, who chatted with me? No, I don't want that. I'm gonna. My question. Oh, it's just his group chat. Yes, I'm in a group chat. Cause I wanted to make some friends. You know. I wonder if I should give Jade another chance. Comment below if you guys think I should give Jade another chance. Oh yeah, also I did download the Discord app because it was telling me to on the website thing. Yeah, so I just downloaded it because it was annoying me. I have so many cones as you can see. Anyways, yeah, I don't know what to talk about. But yeah, I'm not sure if I want to give Dana a chance. I just don't know anymore, you guys. Like, I don't know anymore. Also, part of me has a feeling she's just playing me, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know anymore. Anyways, I don't know what to say. Also, I have Trish, but I don't know what. Okay, anyways, um, yeah. So basically, we're just collecting some coins. But like I said earlier, I don't know if I should give her that chance or not. What do you guys think? Just tell me in the comments below if I should give Jay another chance, yes or no. Just say that. Cause I really don't know anymore. Like, I mean, I trust, I barely can trust anyone. I can trust my family and, Lexi and that kind of stuff, but, I don't know if I can trust Jane or not. I don't know what I do anymore. Anyways, yeah. Also, I think I can tell, I, changed my outfit. I don't think I told you guys I changed my outfit, but I changed my outfit. I was just getting sick of my old outfit, so I decided to change. Also, I took my sparkling wings off. I don't know this girl, but she's saying Malia. So I'm just, I can't even. This girl saying Malia, so I don't know who she is. I'm like, what? I don't know this girl. And she's saying Malia. I'm like, what? Also, if you don't know this, my real name is Malia, and yeah, sure. I'm gonna end it here, you guys. So, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Oh my god, wait, look guys. Look how many pets this girl has. Look. I wonder what pets she's gonna give me. Look, okay, anyways, I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Also, if you want, okay, comment below if you want to know what the girl got me. Okay, no mind. Anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys later. Wait, okay, but still, tell me what I should do about Jade. Should I give her another chance or what? tell me in the comments down below. Bye!